inside the Niger Delta.
All 9 oil-producing states comprising the Niger Delta will receive adequate attention from the federal government. This pledge was made by the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, Olusegun Adesola, recently when he went to inspect some of the ministry's ongoing projects in Abia and Imo States.
On the directive of Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, Mr. Adesola recently embarked on a 3-day inspection tour of projects awarded to boost infrastructural and human development in Imo and Abia States. Some of the projects in Imo State were a standard toilet at Umuhu Central Market in Okpala local government area, the Okpala Iguruta Road, construction along the Owerelele Road, a housing estate at Umuagwo, and a skills acquisition center at Ohaji Ebema. Mr. Adesola commended some of the contractors for efforts made so far in the completion of the project. When completed, he said, the project will be handed over to competent managers.
Our belief is that the communities will express interest in this project, and where we have credible expression of interest, the administration, the ministry will not hesitate to allow such expressee to manage the project.
Some of the projects inspected in Abia State include the Skills Acquisition Center for Oil and Gas at Owaza in Ukwa West Local Government Area, Niger Delta Ministry Housing Welfare Scheme, Basic Skills Acquisition Center Ubakala, and the Obehi Azumiri Road Construction Project.
The Honorable Minister, distinguished Senator Akpabio, is committed to seeing to the completion of some of these projects. The projects are quite capital intensive. They are not 5 million, 1 million contracts. But with prioritization, I know we can achieve a lot.
The recent inspection of projects in Imo and Abia States was to ascertain the quality of work done so far by the contractors and to encourage them to speed up the process for the completion of all ongoing projects in the benefiting states.
Inside the Niger Delta.